Hi everyone, I just got back from a trip to a local antique mall that I'd never been to before. And I came back with much more than what I expected. I honestly went there because I wanted to be able to complete the challenges from last night's live sale, to find certain items and present them Saturday for our morning sale, which is with Gina from Vintage Digs, myself, and Jen K Generation Junkie. Some of the items I was surprised to not find, like a wooden recipe box. I believe Suspizio was the one that requested that. I did not find a black cat, which I kind of didn't think I would. I did find a golden retriever, but I'm not sure if it was supposed to have been a figurine or not. And I believe that was Becky's challenge. No spiked flower frogs either. I think that was also Becky. I'm forgetting something. And of course it'll come to me later after I film this. So if I remember, I'll edit it in. But since I had everything out, I thought let's go ahead and do a quick haul video. I'm going to try to keep it a little shorter than normal, because I do want to do an unboxing video today. I've been holding on to packages for the past couple of weeks so I could do an unboxing from items I purchased from other YouTube sellers. So I would like to get that done tonight as well. I can't wait to open everything, to be honest with you. But there was no way for me not to share these finds with you as well. Plus, as you know, I'm filming right now on my kitchen table, and once I get these put away in my office, it's really hard for me to bring them back out here to film. So while I was unloading, I did take care of cleaning some of the items. Some need a little bit more cleaning, but that's what you expect when you're dealing with vintage and antiques, right? The first thing that I want to show you is this fairy lamp. This is the Fenton Nativity fairy lamp. When I first opened it, there was some candle residue. I got that out pretty quickly. But this is stunning. And look at the blue. It's kind of like a satin glass, but the graphics are just incredible. It's in great shape. It is signed here by the artist. Come on, focus. Not wanting to focus, is it? Oh my goodness, this is going to drive me nuts. I'll put the artist name in the video, but it says Ernestine Delaney. It's not picking up at all. I'm so sorry, guys. We're about to get storms here, so it's kind of dark. There's no light coming in naturally through my windows right now. But here is the base. It's just this really pretty kind of satiny glass, like I said before. I had never seen one. I mean, I knew they existed, but I definitely had never seen one in person. And I was so surprised to find it, and in such good shape. I may sell this for our Christmas and July sale, or I may wait until closer to Christmas. I'm trying to pick up a few vintage Christmas items here and there. So this definitely won't be in a live sale anytime soon, just so you know. I also picked up these two salt and pepper shakers. These are so cute. I'm sure they might be from the 70s. I don't know. But they're two snails. It's interesting they both have two holes, so maybe they're both salt. I don't know. They came together and I thought they were adorable. So I was happy to put them in my basket. This antique mall was huge. You know, normally I can't afford antique mall prices for reselling. The last one I went to here in Dallas, I ended up spending money, but it was all on items for myself. I picked up a Hager planter that I really wanted, some postcards, I think maybe a McCoy planter. Now I can't remember, of course. But you know, antique malls in Dallas actually are pretty pricey. But this one, like I said, I'd never been to, and I was so glad that I found it. I also picked up this headscarf, which I believe is from the 60s, maybe early 70s. It's in great shape. It looks new. I love the pink and white. It's just so pretty and dainty. You know, and I'm slowly picking up more accessories and jewelry. There we go. I don't know what's wrong with the focus right now, but hopefully you can see that well. I also picked up this. This is just a bouquet of faux flowers. This is either lavender or bluebonnets. I hadn't really looked at it. I think it's lavender. But being Texan, the bluebonnet is our state flower, so I wasn't quite sure when I picked it up. I'm just going to be using this as a prop probably. But these are really nice. They're very high quality. I believe they may be vintage flowers. That's the other thing I was looking for, something with violets in it. I believe that was what Becky suggested for our challenge. I kind of sort of found a violet today, and I'll show it here in just a second. I also picked up this bowl. I thought this was beautiful. I've done no research on it yet, but it's a wooden bowl. I didn't really see any damage issues. The bottom of it looks to be a little cloudy or dusty. I have not tried to clean it yet. There was no marking on the back. To be honest with you, I'm not quite sure the age. Maybe 70s. If any of you have a suggestion or know, please let me know. I'm so sorry. Our dogs are going crazy for some reason. I also picked up this figurine just because it was funny. I didn't look at the bottom. I thought maybe it was a Japanese figurine because we know sometimes they can be crazy. But I actually found out this is a company from Canada. And the company is Kreiss and Company. But as you can see, it's Psycho Ceramic. I believe these are actually mid-century. I found some other crazy looking figurines, but I haven't seen him on eBay or Etsy yet. So I'm going to do a little bit more research. He's actually kind of big if you see in comparison to the snails, but he's got those jeweled eyes and he looks wonky. That's all there is to it. I also found this adorable elephant planner. I'm not sure who made it. It's not marked, but it's precious. It's in really good shape. You know, if I would guess, I would also say mid-century. Nah, I don't know. I really don't know. Here's the bottom. There are no chips or scratches. He's got a cute face. I like his ears. I like the detailing of him. I just think he's awesome. And I also picked this up. So Becky, if you see this, can we pretend like this is a violet? I might try to go back out thrifting Friday, but tomorrow I've really got to start working on eBay, getting everything listed there, and then get stuff going for my Etsy shop. So I'm forcing myself not to go anywhere tomorrow. I must stay home and work on listing. But this is a Mexican pottery piece, I believe. And I just thought it was really pretty. They had some faux grass and succulent in it, but I did take it out because you couldn't really see the details of the pretty flower. But there's that. I also picked up these 3 tins. You know, we have so many animal lovers that watch live sales, and I thought these were just precious. And I think this is a golden retriever. It might not be. It might be like a spaniel. But can we just pretend? I know that's a yellow lab, but it could also be a golden maybe if he had a little bit longer ears. I like the duck with him, and I thought this was just precious. There's no date on either one of these. This one is a little bit banged up. This one, not as much so. There weren't any dents, you know, in any of these. They're just a little bit worn. There's a little bit of wear right here, but it's not too noticeable. And then I picked up a kitty for all the kitty people out there. This one, the back has seen better days, but it's still in really good condition too. I like the kitties on the side. And I thought that was just too precious to leave behind. Okay, so the swan. I'm not sure if the color's picking up, but this is a deep amber color, which if you watch my channel, you know I love amber. This is a mid-century piece, I'm pretty sure. I do not know if it's Murano or not. Probably not. But if any of you know for sure, definitely comment and let me know. I haven't, like I said, I just got home, unloaded the car, and tried to clean up some of the basic dirt and grime from these items from being in, antique store for however long they've been there. So I haven't researched anything yet. Okay, I also picked up this. It's not a wall pocket, but it's actually a wall decor. There was no maker on here. I don't think it's a craft piece, but I think somebody may have signed it. Love all, which is a great sentiment. I mean, love all, but I don't think that's the artist. I could be wrong, but I do not think so. She is in really good shape. There's a little bit of a crack. Let me see if I can find it. Or a chip, I should say. I don't even see it in this light. I think it's right in here. But other than that, she's flawless. I love her eyebrows and her lipstick. I also picked up this. This is a Japanese hand-painted trinket dish, I guess you could say. I love the shape. I love the flowers. I just thought this was beautiful. It is marked on the back. Unfortunately, all I could read was hand-painted China, Japan. Is it walls, maybe? I'm going to have to look at this with a magnifying glass. How pitiful is that? I need new glasses so badly. But regardless, I was picking it up anyway because it's so beautiful. I also found a Tonala fish. Check him out. This is the first fish I think I've seen. I was trying to remember that. He is in great shape. There's no chips or cracks. It is actually marked Mexico here. I didn't think it was marked. I just somehow missed that. I did not see the artist's signature, but maybe we'll find it. They generally are on the side. I don't see it. Let's try the other side. But isn't he just beautiful? I love him. The detailing is amazing. I like the use of color. I like the eye, what looks like an eyelash. So here's this beautiful fish. I also picked up this doily. I picked it up just because of the color. And I think they did a great job, whoever made this, in the flower detail. I guess that's a flower. But, it's perfect for spring and summer, so I thought, why not? Let's go ahead and get that. Okay, these two pieces I'm so excited about. These two, they came as a pair. Let me see if I can move some things around here so you can see them better. Again, I have not cleaned them, but they are two Murano glass candle holders. At least I assume that's what they were intended for. Someone did put candles in here, so they need to be cleaned. I think one of them was pretty dirty. That one is not. It must be this other one. But they're in excellent shape. No chips or scratches. I love the blue color. Reminds me of the ocean. Reminds me of summer. It's already almost 90 degrees here, so it's summer. I know it's snowing in other places. Is it Minnesota, I think, that had all that snow last night? I can't remember, but not here in Texas. It's already unbearable. I also picked up this wall pocket, and yes, it's damaged. I knew that when I got it. First of all, depending on how the bucket is tilting, because this is a well, you can't see it. And I figured that if someone purchases this, they want to use it as a wall pocket and put flowers in it. So if you put flowers in it, you definitely can't see the bucket at all. You could also take it off if you wanted to, but it's definitely seen better days. If you're really crafty, you could probably fix it, but I'm not good at doing that, so I'm not going to try. I'm just going to offer it at a good deal to someone who might enjoy it as a a wall pocket without a bucket. I also picked up this McCoy pot. This is so stinking cool. This should have a top, but it doesn't. And that's okay with me. I did a little bit of research when I was in the antique store, and I didn't find one in blue. I found these in white, so I don't know if the blue is more rare. I'm not really sure, but it's heavy, and it is beautiful. I love it. There are a couple condition issues. There's a little scratch down there. I think there might have been one back here. Maybe not. I need to clean that. That's just dirt. But this is just so cool. And that graphic is awesome. Just love it. Again, perfect for this time of year. I love McCoy. I love everything they do, just like I do Hager. So that was a definite piece to take home with me. The last thing I got was this dish, this lidded green dish. I did not bring my black light with me. And I thought for sure that glowed. I thought about it in the car after I'd bought it, and I was like, I don't think it's gonna glow. Why I didn't think that in the store is beyond me. But regardless, it was a decent price, and it's really cool, even if it doesn't glow. It's got this satin glass coloring to it. I love the top. You could use it, you know, for candy, or you could use it in your bathroom to hold cotton balls or something like that. You could use it for your jewelry. I think it's stunning. There are a couple of issues where there's a little bit of paint loss. I'm not seeing them now. But if I list this on Etsy or sell it on a live sale, I'll definitely mention the issues and where they are, because I'm not seeing them right now. But how pretty is that? I think it's cool. Of course, I hoped it would glow, but that's okay. I don't know the manufacturer. It was not marked. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this short little haul video. I had a pretty good day, and I cannot wait to do my unboxing video later. Pausing on this guy again because he's just so crazy. I hope everybody's having a good Wednesday, and for those of you that were there for our live sale last night, thank you. It was so much fun. I'm sorry I had some issues with my laptop. Hopefully that won't happen again, and for all of you that purchased something, thank you so much. I appreciate everyone's support. Y'all rock. Talk to you later. Bye.